All right, so what is the exact step-by-step process during your first initial service visit? Well, in Open Range, we call that the initial clean-out service, and here's how the battle plan works. But first, a warning. You will likely see more bugs immediately after our first visit. Most companies are too scared to tell you that, but we're pretty proud of it. Because we use high-powered flushing agents designed to drive pests directly out into the open, we've treated homes where literally hundreds of cockroaches and crickets come pouring out of the walls, out from underneath your J-trim, hidden areas under bushes, stumps, things in the backyard that you had stacked. It's pretty crazy sometimes when you see just how many bugs are actually on your property when we do your first service. Really makes people lose any buyer's remorse that they might have had when they see that happen. Once those flushing agents get them out into the open, that same chemical then dries and sets up a long-term barrier to lock them out of your home forever. Here's the standard operating procedure. First, Christopher, Tucker, or Tanner, they're going to make contact with you at the door to discuss any specific issues you have, just to meet you and say hi, so that you can put a face with the name and vice versa. Meet your pets, meet your kids, all of that kind of stuff. They want to go over any specific issues that you had on your property. Have you ever seen a scorpion there? How many crickets do you see? What are the problems that you called us for that we can make sure that we take care of in the future? Then they're going to do an exterior foundational spray. Yard perimeter, de-webbing, granules, and baits. They're also going to inspect for termites every single time that we're there, and they'll let you know if they see anything to be concerned about. We also, at least once a year, we like to treat inside of your garage as well. But that's always up to you. Finally, the technician makes a second contact at the end of their service to explain their finding, give you pointers on preventing bugs, and explain our guarantee before their next visit when we come back out again. So whether you're in a new build in Vistancia or dealing with entrenched bugs in Old Sun City, our system handles it all.